Kids of all ages fancy those flying toys just like adults. That's why we have made this kid-friendly drones list. This video will help you understand the best models available on the market. The fifth product on our list is the Holy Stone HS-170 drone. This one is suitable for both indoor and outdoor situations. Its windproof and shockproof design guarantees the best flying experience regardless of setting. Keeping the drone in the air is easy due to the 2.4 GHz remote control that sports out the digital proportional radio control system. It is equipped with high-powered engines that can keep the drone steady in the air thanks to the 6-axis gyro stabilization system and the screw-attached propellers. Moreover, due to the headless mode technology, the drone will always be oriented in the direction of the controller. Up next, we have the Helix Ion. The AirHog's Helix Ion unleashes a new level of agility, responsiveness, and heart-pounding aerial stunts. Utilizing gyro stabilization, a built-in accelerometer, and 2.4 GHz of communication, the Helix Ion is aggressively maneuverable and incredibly fast. It is perfect for both beginners and advanced pilots. Its full 4-channel control easily outflies any obstacle. The Helix Ion is for ages 10 and above. The ducted rotors and foam frame mean it shouldn't break anything. The Drocon U818 Plus is the next product on our list, and it is equipped with rubber damping camera and built-in altitude hold function to meet your selfie demands. Some drones can easily drift away, but this drone is trouble-free as it's equipped with an advanced barometer for accurate altitude holding and stable flight characteristics. The altitude hold mode lets you fly the drone at a specified altitude and adopts barometer to realize this function. With the sky perspective, you can record the wonderful moments of life. Unlike other drones that last for just 8 minutes, these drones utilize coreless motor conversion technology, which uses less energy than conventional motors, letting you enjoy more fun with the long battery life. The Aerial AA108 drone is the perfect all skill levels drone for everything from photography to recreational flying. The Altair AA108 provides all of the features of a high-end drone at 3 different skill levels. The Altair AA108 is an easy-to-fly and stable drone. It's a fantastic camera drone for kids, and this drone comes with a 120-degree wide-angle 720p HD camera that takes amazing photos and videos in bird's-eye view right from your phone. The Altair quadcopter is easily piloted and has headless mode, altitude hold, and 1-button takeoff and landing. The Syma X5C is tough, easy to learn, and equipped with the right features for its price point, resulting in a user-friendly product. It is enjoyable to use and won't break down after the first flight. The Syma X5C is about 2 pounds, making it rather light for a drone. The dimensions of this drone are 12.2 by 12.2 by 3.1 inches. The drone comes completely assembled, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Under each propeller arm is an LED light. The 2 forward motor arms have orange lights, while the 2 rear arms have green lights. This is highly desirable in a quadcopter, especially if you decide to go for a night flight. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel.